अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग खातीर भरपूर फंडाची गरज आसा. मात आमी दर एका मतदारसंघात अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग करपा खातीर एका सारकें धोरण हाडपाचो आमचो यत्न चालू आशिल्ल्याचे उर्जा मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकरान सांगले. रवींद्र भवन मडगांव हांगा ढवळीकरान वीज पुरवणेचो नियाळ घेवपा खातीर मडगांव, कुडतरी, नुवें आनी फातोर्डेच्या आमदारां सयत बसका घेतिल्ली.
I think 20 years ago.
You required a huge money for it, and that is the main reason of it. You required a huge money. So almost say 1 kilometer you required 50 lakhs. Right? While this you can cover in 5 lakhs 1 kilometer.
Will there be a uniform policy as far as underground cabling?
Definitely, we have moved the file to Union Ministry. Union Ministry is also supporting us, and I will see the maximum funds will brought from Union Ministry. I assure to the public of Goa of all constituencies that in this government we will take major works of underground cabling in each and every constituency of Goa.